Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to create a very nice ravishing brown and maroon makeup look for Christmas. Now the special thing for this video is that the products are selected by you. You guys voted for these products. Now I have shared three options, 3 to 4 options maybe, and you guys voted for the best ones and the majority votes won, of course. So I will be doing my makeup using those products and yeah, let's get started. The first thing, I am going to use a primer, and today I am using a very new primer, and that is from Plume, and this is their Silk Blur Moisturizing Primer. Now I recently received this and I thought let's do a first impression on this, so I'm going to try it out today in this video and also do a wear test because I am going to film the entire day, and so this will be great. So let's just read what the brand has claimed. Now this one retails for rupees 650 rupees for 50-gram product. I love the outer packaging. It's so pink, it's so like girly. I love that. So this is the Plume Silk Blur Moisturizing Primer, a single product that moisturizes and nourishes the skin while blurring out imperfection and pores. Hyaluronic acid is known to provide hydration and nourishment, while avocado provides healthy moisture and glow to the skin. It acts like a silky primer which will help your foundation glide easily. Silk Blur is also a great product to apply on a daily basis without any makeup on. So you can use this primer for before applying your makeup. Otherwise you can apply this as a normal moisturizer to hide your pores. Now this is for all skin types. So let's see the inner packaging. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. Oh my god, this looks so very cute. So I really like the packaging, you guys. It's white, pink, and it's kind of like frosted as well, which is really good. So in the packaging they have mentioned the key ingredients, how to use, net weight, and that's it. I think that's what you guys want. So let's try out the primer in person. And so this is how the primer looks like. It definitely looks like a normal moisturizer, so it definitely smells very good as well. So I'm going to take this much and see how this feels. Okay, so my skin definitely feels very soft, hydrated, and coming to the pores, I have really large pores. It did not cover it all, but definitely I can see it has somehow managed and blurred out my pores. So if you have like small pores, I think this will look great. But if you have very large pores, I think you have to use a pore filler primer for this. Otherwise, my face definitely feels very soft, and yeah, I think it's really nice. So let's apply the foundation and let's see how it blends. Alright guys, before applying the foundation, I have to cover up my dark circles, little spots and scar, and for that I'm using my favorite product, and that is the Sugar Face Forward Stick, and this is the corrector stick in the shade Peach, which is 01. So I'm going to apply a little bit under the eyes, on the scar, right here, and little bit around my mouth as well. And now I am going to take the pack a 215 brush and I will blend this in. This product definitely blends so nicely, and it covers up my dark circles, dark spots, and also the scar. I think if you have my skin tone, this will definitely work. But if you think the scar is too dark and you need a little bit orange corrector, you can also try their orange corrector. I think that is amazing as well. Honestly, I haven't tried it much, but the pigmentation is just so good. Now I definitely look hilarious, but let's just move on to the foundation. So for foundation, I gave you Milani, MAC, Maybelline. So you guys voted for Maybelline, of course. So I am using my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. Now my shade is 310 in this. So I'm just going to dot it all over my face. And I am going to use my Cups and Lashes sponge to blend it in. My foundation has blended in and I think it is looking beautiful, but let's see up close. Okay, I can see a little bit of pores right here but not here. That is great. And I think my foundation has blended really nicely. Honestly, I love this foundation, and testing your primer or any other product with your favorite product actually shows you the actual result. Okay, so I think it has blended very nicely. So let's move on to the next product, which is concealer. For concealer, I have again gave you three options: Sugar, Magic Wand Concealer, Pack Spotlight, and Krylon. So a lot of you guys voted for Pack Spotlight, so I am going to use my shade 07 for highlight. This gives that perfect coverage and also brightens up my under eyes. See, blended so nicely. Alright you guys, next for contour, I didn't give you any option, but I am going to use my current favorite product, and that is the Cuffs and Lashes Cover Pots. I am using the shade number 12 for my contour. So with the sponge, I am going to blend my nose contour. This way it gives that very nice, smooth and very nice skin-like finish. And for my cheeks, I am using the Forever 52 PX049 brush, and this is a very amazing brush, you guys. I absolutely love this for my contour. So now for my powder, I gave you again three options: Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, K-Beauty HD Loose Powder, and Forever 52 Dry and Wet Powder. So a lot of people voted for the Fit Me, so I am going to use this loose powder. My shade is number 20. So I am going to bake my under eyes with this. Alright guys, it has been 5 minutes. Now I am going to dust off all the baking powder I have, and I'm using my Plume brush right here. Now I am going to set my face using the MAC Fix Plus, the mini one. So while it's drying, let's complete the eyebrows, and today I'm using the PAC Brow Pomade. This is the Super Brow Cream from PAC Cosmetics. Now the shade I'm using is 03, which is Walnut Wax. Now for a little bit of powder contour, I am using the Bahama Mama bronzer, and this is from the Balm Cosmetics. Now for my blush, I am going with the Milani blusher. Now this is called the Baked Powder Blush. The shade I'm using is 01. Alright, next for my highlighter, the options were Ofra Rodeo Drive, MAC Soft and Gentle, and PAC Glitz and Glare. So a lot of you guys voted for MAC Soft and Gentle. Now I recently received this from MAC Cosmetics, and this will be the first time trying this out. And honestly you guys, I always wanted to try this out, and I'm so glad that they have sent this to me. So I am using my favorite Forever 52 eyeshadow brush to blend it in. Oh my god, I literally always wanted to try this, and the shade is so beautiful. It definitely is very soft, so amazing. It is definitely gliding really nicely. Okay, let's start with the eye makeup. Now the options I gave was ABH Prism palette, Forever 5235 color eyeshadow palette, the bigger one, Nika K eyeshadow palettes, and Tan Beauty eyeshadow palette. So a lot of people actually voted for the TAKECARE one, so I am going to use one of the TAKECARE eyeshadow palettes. Now this is in the shade Poison Apple, but to create a look I need few, I mean the theme you guys have chose is maroon and brown, so I do need a lot of shades here. So I thought let's try this one out, which has maroon shade. But I am also going to use the Tan Beauty This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette for my browns and little bit of that matte black. Alright, first I'm taking this maroon shade from the TAKECARE palette, and the brush I'm using is the Sigma E55 brush. And I'm just going to place it just on the outer corner. Now I am going to take this shade, this is Blow a Kiss from the Tan Beauty palette, and I'm going to take this on my Pack 206 small blending brush. And the brush I'm using here is the Vichy 03 brush. Okay, now for my eyelid I am going to use this very nice copperish gold shade, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. I am using a damp brush here. Alright, next up I am going to take this Pow Wow shade, and I am taking my MAC 217 brush, and I'm just going to blend it on my outer corner. And I'm also going to take the matte black shade, which is called Coal. Now I am definitely going to add some glitter because it's Christmas, and the glitter I'm using today is from Lime Crime. This is their Diamond Dew glitter. The shade I'm using is Starlight. So now for my lower lash line I am going to take the shade Pow Wow and Blow a Kiss, and I'm going to smoke it out. So now I'm going to add the same highlighter on my inner corner and also on my brow bone. I am changing things a little bit. So I'm using the SOHINI Chanda Ultim Pro HD mascara. This is also a good mascara. Right now it's time for lipstick. I gave you 5 options: Sugar, MAC, NACA, Color Bar, Forever 52. A lot of votes went for Sugar Cosmetics. So the lipstick I'm going to use is Matte Tack Transfer Proof lipstick from Sugar, and this is in the shade 04 Maroon Vibe. Alright you guys, this is the completed look for Christmas, and I hope you guys like it. Now coming to my base, I think it looks beautiful right now. It has been more than 1.5 hours, so I am going to test this out throughout the day and I will let you guys know. And also in the meantime I can definitely change up my eye makeup because I am filming a lot of videos today. So don't worry, I won't remove the base. Hey guys, so I am back here to update you guys about the primer. Now I did change my outfit and also my lipstick. So as of now my foundation looks very good. It has been more than 4 hours. I have filmed 3 videos in between. I know, too much. Yeah, I also took a lunch break, of course. After that lunch break I wanted to try some new lip shade, so I had to change. So now I am actually wearing the Key Beauty lip shade in the shade Cameo, and I think it is also looking pretty amazing with the eye. So now it's time to change the eye look a little bit, and let's film more videos and then I will update you on my skin. Hey guys, so primer update. It has been more than 5 hours. I can now see a little bit of oiliness around my nose. I am sure I can wear this primer for 6 to 7 hours and it won't budge at all. Now coming to the first impression, I am definitely impressed because my skin is definitely hydrated and it felt very smooth. It definitely did blur out my pores. If you have large pores, it won't like completely cover it up, but if you have smaller pores, little pore issue, then this is perfect for you. Also, Plume and I have collaborated for a giveaway for you guys. There will be 2 winners who can win this silk blur primer. So the rules are very easy. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment down below #giveaway Shohini, and also do follow us on Instagram, Plume and me, of course. And I think that is the rules. So definitely go ahead and participate to win this amazing moisturizing primer. And I think this is great for normal to dry skin. Even oily skin people can use this during winter. So that is something great. And also I think this is affordable. It comes in a, decent price point, $6.50 for 50-gram product, and that is something very good. So definitely do participate to win this, or you can buy it from their link. I will mention it down in the description box below. Hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.